Round 1, our one and only. Chain 1. Chain 31. When you reach that last chain, here's our secret weapon, add wire. This will give our leaf that perfect, natural curve. Slip stitch in the second chain from your hook. We're starting our journey back down the chain. Work 2 single crochets. We're building the base of our leaf. 3 half double crochets. We're gradually increasing height. Now for the body of our leaf, 18 double crochets in a row. Feel that leaf growing. Three half double crochets. We're tapering down. Two single crochets. Here comes the leaf tip, 3 single crochets in the next stitch. It's getting pointy. Now we're mirroring down the other side. Start with 2 single crochets. 3 half double crochets. Another 18 double crochets. Symmetry is key. Three half double crochets. Finish with 2 single crochets. Slip stitch to the first stitch to join. Fasten off and weave in your ends.